Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between VectorShift versus N8N. VectorShift and N8N are two distinct platforms used for automation and integration, but they serve slightly different purposes and target audiences. VectorShift primarily focused on automation of workflows for marketing, data enrichment, and sales automation. VectorShift often used by teams looking to streamline marketing processes, customer relationship management, and other repetitive tasks. It offers tools to manage and enhance customer data, track interactions, and automate business operations. VectorShift built around sales and marketing automation with features like lead generation, nurturing, and data segmentation. VectorShift provide tools for adding value to customer data, which can be essential for targeted marketing or personalized customer interactions. It allows users to automate tasks related to sales funnels, which is ideal for businesses aiming to streamline lead generation and conversion processes. VectorShift generally more tailored to marketing teams and sales professionals, so its users interface and features are designed for non-technical users. It can be less flexible compared to N8N when it comes to custom workflows, as it is somewhat specialized in certain types of automation. VectorShift more focused on ready-to-go solutions for specific business use cases, meaning it might be less flexible than N8N if you need completely custom workflows or need to integrate less common tools. VectorShift follows a subscription-based pricing model, and the cost varies depending on the scale of usage, the features required, and the team size. Being more specialized, pricing could be on the higher side for businesses looking for specific marketing and CRM solutions. VectorShift is ideal for businesses focused on sales, marketing, and customer management. It's aimed at marketing teams, sales teams, or customer relationship managers who want easy-to-use tools to automate and optimize their work. VectorShift is an excellent choice if you are looking for a specialized, ready-to-go solution for sales and marketing automation with a focus on ease of use and data enrichment for business processes. While N8N is an open-source workflow automation tool designed for creating complex workflows, integrating various apps, and automating tasks across different platforms. It focuses on connecting different systems, APIs, databases, services, and automating processes. N8N offers a wide range of pre-built integrations for services like Google Sheets, Slack, GitHub, and more, with the ability to create custom workflows with no-code or low-code solutions. N8N is open source, which gives businesses complete flexibility to modify and extend the platform to fit their needs. It offers a user-friendly interface to automate tasks across apps without requiring coding knowledge. N8N offers over 200 built-in integration and allows for the creation of custom integrations through APIs or webhooks. You can build very complex workflows, define conditions, and add logic to processes. N8N is easier for developers or teams with some technical knowledge because of its open source nature. For non-technical users, it might have a bit of a learning curve, but it offers visual flow building that makes creating workflows quite intuitive. N8N is highly customizable. Since it's open source, you can create custom nodes, build complex workflows, and tailor the tool to meet any specific business requirements. It is great for developers or teams who want full control over their integrations and automations. Being open source, N8N is free to use if you are hosting it yourself. However, if you choose to use their cloud offering, N8N Cloud, there are paid plans depending on the scale of use and additional features. N8N provides integrations with over 200 tools and services, ranging from social media platforms to cloud services, CRMs, and analytics tools. It can connect to almost any service via API or webhook. N8N is a better choice for those needing deep customization, complex workflows, and integrations across a wide range of services. So basically, this is the difference between VectorShift and N8N. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.